Hello, how to solve for s from this equation? 3 to the power of s multiplied by 5 to the power of s squared is equal to 15. Now, 3 to the power of s multiplied by 5 to the power of s squared is equal to 15 can be written as 3 multiplied by 5. Then here, let's divide this by 5 and this by 5. Let's divide this by 3 to the power of x and this by 3 to the power of x. Then this will cancel this, 1. This will cancel this. Here is 5 to the power of s squared divided by 5 is equal to 3 divided by 3 to the power of x. So this is the same thing as 5 to the power of 1 and this is 3 to the power of 1. If you have a raised to power n over a raised to power m, this is equal to a raised to power n minus m. Then this can be written as 5 to the power of s squared minus 1 because equal to 3 to the power of 1 minus x. Now let's take the log of both sides. Log 5 to the power of s squared minus 1 is equal to log 3 to the power of 1 minus x. Then here is s squared minus 1 log 5 is equal to 1 minus s log 3. Now let's divide this side by log 5. Divide this by log 5. This is the same thing as s squared minus 1 log 5 base 5 is equal to 1 minus s log 3 base 5. Now we know that if you have log a base a, this is equal to 1. Then this can be written as s squared minus 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 minus s log 3 base 5. S squared minus 1 multiplied by 1, this is s squared minus 1 is equal to 1 minus s log 3 base 5. Now let's bring this to this side. You have s squared minus 1 minus 1 minus x log 3 base 5 is equal to 0. Then if you look at this is in form of perfect square. That this is also 1 square. And if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Then this can be written as s plus 1 multiplied by s minus 1 minus 1 minus s log 3 base 5. Let's open this bracket with minus. We have s plus 1 multiplied by s minus 1 plus x minus 1 log 3 base 5. Now here s minus 1 is common. Let's bring it out. S minus 1 bracket this divided by this, we have s plus 1, this divided by this plus log 3 base 5 is equal to 0. Then here is equal to 0 and here is equal to 0. From here there are two cases here. The first case is s minus 1 is equal to 0, and the second case is s plus 1 plus log 3 base 5 is equal to 0. Then from this side, s is equal to 1. This is the first value of s. And from here, we have s is equal to, let's take this to the other side. We have minus 1 minus log 3 base 5. Then s is equal to minus bracket 1 plus log 3 base 5. But 1 is equal to log 5 base 5. Then let's substitute. Here is s is equal to minus bracket log 5 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. Now take note of this, that if you have log a base b plus log c base b, this is equal to log ac base b. This can be written as s is equal to minus bracket log 5 multiplied by 3 base 5. Then s is equal to minus bracket log 5 times 3, that is 15 base 5. This is the second value of x. Therefore, our final answers are s is equal to 1 and minus log 15 base 5. We can check to confirm if this answer is correct, but let's check with this s is equal to 1. We have the given equation 3 to the power of s multiplied by 5 to the power of s squared is equal to 15. Now when s is equal to 1, here is 3 to the power of 1 multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 square must be equal to 15. Then 3 to the power of 1, this is 3, multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 square, that is 5, must be equal to 15. 3 times 5, here is 15, is equal to 15, which is true for s. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.